This is an update with my greenhouse. Today is May 6, 2026, and I'm taking a video on my plants one at a time so you guys can see that I have a green thumb. Okay, we'll start from at the end. My plumeria, they're blooming, and right there another one, and I have rosemary and aloe vera. I use this for grafting, and I have the lemongrass. Then I have the green onions. I always take them and bring it to the house, and it's a help with. This is a little ginger flower plant. I planted one. This is the avocado. They're growing. I thought they're dead, but it's growing. And I grafted moringa, so leaves is coming out. I have the papaya. I have a lot of them, but I sold some. I grafted loquat, so let's see another loquat. And I have the java plant here. They called it duhat in Philippines, and I have 3 of them. This is one, number 2, and then I have some green mustard, and I already harvested some. I cook it with eggs, saute it with eggs, and it's really good. Just cut it in small pieces and saute it with eggs. It's good. I have the cactus. This is the only one that I kept. It's very nice cactus. They have like orange flower on the top. I have my yams here, green yams. I always get the green leaves because it's expensive. I I blanch it and dip it with fish sauce or anything you want. It's really good. Or you can put it with sinigang. It's a Filipino dish. I have a lot of them because it's very expensive outside if you buy it. I have my pepper right there. I already harvested a lot. The fruit is really, I thought it's like the Filipino pepper, but it's a little bit bigger than Filipino pepper. That's the fruit. I already harvested a lot. I put it in a jar and put vinegar and salt to pickle it. I have the fig grafted. I bought it online. I thought it's a mango, but they sent me a fig tree instead. But well, they said that if it's grafted, it will grow. It will bear fruit like a year or 6 months. I have my plum, my white. I mean not plum. It's white nectarine. I have 2 of them. The other one has a fruit already. I think this is like 3 years old now when I planted by seeds. So now it has flowers before. Now I see some fruit. I have the jojoba or the jobi called it. I grafted it and the leaves is coming out. Also the moringa, I grafted it. There's a leaves coming out right there. Then I have more yam leaves here. It's very handy. And I have the apple tree. Some I don't know what kind of animal, but it ate the leaves. Now it's growing again. So this is a java plum number 3, and my friend is asking for it, so that's hers. And I have my another moringa here. It's growing. It's getting big. And then another moringa. There's 2 that I grafted, so hopefully the other one right there there's leaves coming out, as you can see. Then I have my other tomato here. It bear fruit, but the fruit, I saw it's gone. Somebody took it. So another yam leaves. I have a lot of yam leaves so I don't have to buy. And I have the cilantro here, and smells, let me see, yeah, it smells cilantro. And then I I planted a seed. I think it's calamondin in Tagalog, calamansi, because it's very hard to get like there. So they're growing, and I have another yam leaves, and then green onions still there, and I have another tomato, and that's a snake plant, and then I have some what they call taro. I think it's growing because there's a kind of like leaves coming after, and then I have the ginger flower here, so they're growing. The other pot is dead, so but these ones are alive. They will bear fruit, I mean flower. The flower is like you can see it's like it looks like cattleya, which is the orchid, but the smell is really, it's like gardenia. It's better smell than gardenia. So here's my, I come here every 3 days because it's summer. So here and right there, I have grafted two, but I won't open it till it is at 16 days. So let's see if my experiment will be effective, because I saw it in YouTube, so I did it. So this is my greenhouse again. It's an update. As I said, today is April, is it 6 now? 6, yeah, it's April 6. So here it is, and there's a lot of gardens here. My neighbor right there, she doesn't have much, but my neighbor here, there's a lot. This is the, you know, garden. It's a community garden. You rent it for I rent it for like for a year. They charge you, so it's a nice one. It's a nice hobby, especially if you like gardening. Okay folks, that's it for now.